In the last video, we looked at using variables to store information. Python, like many programming languages, uses different data types to represent different types of information. These data types help Python understand how to handle the information under different operations. Consider, for example, two variables storing integers. The following operation will give you an expected result. However, these variables could also be represented as a string of text. And the same operation may give you unexpected results if you do not know what data type you are dealing with. This is because when dealing with numbers, Python will perform a mathematical addition with the plus sign, but it will perform a concatenation or combine the two values when dealing with text. Let's look at some of the different data types in Python. Integers represent whole numbers. Floats represent decimal numbers. Strings are used to store a sequence of characters. Booleans store true or false values. Sometimes, it is necessary to convert variables from one type to another. In the following example, the input function is used to receive information from a user. However, the information is received as a string, a sequence of characters. If we try to multiply this directly, the result may be alarming. In order to calculate the total, we will need to convert the information to an integer first. You can convert data between data types using casting functions. A large part of programming is manipulating data. You can use these operators to carry out mathematical operations. You will often need to compare two values to determine a course of action. The result of a comparison is a Boolean. Try the examples below to discover the comparison operators. You can combine conditional statements to perform logical operations. We've covered the basics of Python, including the syntax, structure, and fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and operators. Understanding these basics is crucial as they form the foundation for everything else you'll learn in Python.